Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria with friends. First, make sure every player has purchased Terraria through Steam. It is also crucial that everyone has the exact same game version installed to avoid compatibility issues. Finally, before starting, decide which friend will act as the host for your multiplayer adventure. This person will be responsible for creating and managing the game world for your group of up to 8 players. To host a game, the designated player should launch Terraria and navigate to the multiplayer option. From there, select Host and play to either generate a brand new world or load a previously saved one. You can customize settings such as world difficulty and size. Once the world is ready, you can invite friends directly through Steam or provide them with your IP address for a direct connection, allowing up to 8 players to join. For friends looking to join, simply launch Terraria and select Multiplayer from the main menu. The easiest method is to choose Join via Steam, which will display any active games hosted by your friends. Alternatively, if the host provides an IP address, select Join via IP and input the address. After connecting, pick your desired character and prepare to embark on your shared Terraria journey with up to 7 other players. If you encounter connection problems, first check your firewall settings to ensure Terraria is allowed through. A stable internet connection for every player is absolutely essential for a smooth experience. For those wanting a local co-op feel, Steam's Remote Play Together is an excellent option, allowing up to 4 players to share one screen. Remember to communicate clearly with your friends about game progress, breaks, and any technical difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.